Hello Alex, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. Presenting a personal video for 2010 Harley Davidson XL883 Sporters. The kilometers is 19,739 and the price is $79.99 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully safety certified. It comes with the extra accessories. If you look at there, it's engine guard protection, and also they'll allocate the plate on the side. And also they put a nice custom seat. Very clean, fully safety certified, and ready to release for the season. If you require for more assistance, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 219, and I'll be happy to secure this bike. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.